team. So this one, next one, new folder. Let me create one folder. Now observe this one. Here one more thing. Repository. Team, can anyone tell me what is a repository? Can anyone tell me what is a repository? Repository. We can call code collaboration tool or not. Repository, we can call code collaboration tool. Fine. May you know example for the repository? Example for the repository. The example for the repositories are, what is the example? GitHub. Next one is the GitLab. GitLab. Next one is the, what is another thing? The another thing is the Bitbucket. GitHub, GitLab. Next one is the Bitbucket. Next one, SVN. Next one is the CVS. Like this also, so many repositories are there. When I'm repeating again here, what is a repository? Code collaboration tool. Code collaboration tool we can call repository. Fine. Next one, Manikanta. What are the example for the repositories? GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, SVN, CVS, like this also, so many things are there. Fine. Jaydeepa. How to interact with the repositories? To interact with the repositories, we need one tool. Then that tool we can call the Git. Git is the tool. Git is the tool. This tool used to interact with the repositories. Even the freshers team, you people need to understand. I'm repeating the point again. Gulshan, what is repository? Code collaboration tool. Code collaboration tool we can call repository. What is the example for the repository? GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, SVN, CVS, like this also, so many things are there. And the next point, to interact with the repositories, we need one tool. Then that tool we can call the Git tool. Fine. Now try to say this one. For example, what is the website we need to visit it? We need to visit one website. Even the difficult team accept each and everything. So this is the website we need to visit. And you need to click here to download. Fine. Go to that website and you need to install it. And after that, how to know the version? I need to know the version. Git space minus minus version. Fine. Visit this website. Download Git. Download Git and know the version. How to know the version? Git space minus minus version. Fine. Team, let me go through the terminal. I wanted to go through the terminal. Simply, we need to go to the terminal here. How we need to press git space minus minus version. So this is the version we are able to say it. But I'm requesting all the people, please install the Git. I'm sharing the link also. Do along with me, not later here. I'm requesting you people do along with me. I'm sharing
Sir,
the
is
link.
this the same tool like Git Bash?
I think in our laptop, Git bash there in the sense Git already there. No need to install.
Yes, yes. I can see that version
No need to worry.
2.50. Yeah.
Those who don't have the Git team, those who don't have the Git, please install Git. Once done, I'll give the confirmation to me. Once done, give the confirmation. Subrata, Purushottam.
Yeah. I have to.
Yeah. And one more thing. Uh, and one more thing. Create GitHub account. You people need to create which account? GitHub account. Everyone should have the GitHub account. Now, let me go to the github.com. So, this is the github.com. You people need to go to the GitHub account and create the GitHub account. How to create a GitHub account? https://github.com. Automatically, you people are able to create the account. Fine. Team. After creating the account, how to create a repo? We need to create the repo. How to create the repo? Click the water. Click the new. Click the new here. Give the repo name. What is the repo name? The repo name equal to itask minus GenAI. So this is the repo name. Not only that repo name, we can give any name here, not an issue. Itask minus gen minus EA. That is the repo name. And click the create repository. Fine. I'm repeating again, team. Fine. Log into github.com. You people need to log into github.com. After that, create the repository. Create the repository. Simply, we should be in a position, we need to create the repository. Give the repository name. What is the repository name? iTask. iTask minus gen minus AI repo. Fine. And one more thing. And one more thing. Click create repository. We need to click. What we need to click? We need to click create repository. Automatically, we are able to create the repository. What are the repositories there? That repository we are able to create it. Fine. Now, I'm requesting all the people, please create our own repo also. Go to the github.com and create the repo. You people need to create the repo also. Fine. Can you please revise all the theoretical points again? What is a repository? Repository we can call code collaboration tool. Fine. And another point. And another point. What are the examples for the repository? GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, SVN, CVS, and so many things are there. Next one. To interact with the repository, we need one tool. That tool we can call the Git tool. To interact with the repository, we need one tool. Then that tool we can call the Git tool. Fine. How to install the Git tool? Visit this website, download the Git, and install the Git. That is a point. And another thing, everyone must create the GitHub account. You people should visit this website. What are the website is there? You people should visit that website. After visiting the website, you people need to create a repo. So this is my repo. Fine. Now, team, can I go to the next level? Or do I need to wait? Answer, do I need to wait or can I go to the next level?
Mine is done, sir, but we.
Remaining team, remaining people.
Mine is done. The visibility public, do we need to modify that or
Place it
keep
here,
it?
place the
Public.
public. Place the
Public.
public. Place the public. Because practicing purpose, no?
Okay.
I sent the screenshot also. Fine. Now, even though not completed team, don't go for work along with me. Just to listen the point. Fine. Gulshan. Here we have two types of repos are there. Generally, we have the two types of repos. One is the local repo. One is the local repo, and another thing is the cloud repo. cloud repo. We have the two types of repos are there. One is the local repo and another thing is the cloud repo. Local repo. Next one is the remote repo. Remote repo or cloud repo. Remote repo or cloud repo. We have the two types of repos are there. One is the local repo. Next one is the remote repo or cloud repo. Yes or not? One. Try to say this one. Here. How to initialize the local repo? I wanted to initialize the local repo. How to initialize local repo? To initialize local repo, we have one command. We have one command. Then that command we can call git space init. Git space init. It is used to initialize the local repo. Fine. And another thing, how to configure username and email. I wanted to configure username and email. How to configure git config minus global user.name equal to we need to configure the username. And how to configure email. I wanted to configure email. How to configure git config minus global. Next one is the, and here we need to place user.email, then you people need to mention your email id. Please try to mention your email id. Fine. Next one, add adding add files to local repo. How to add files to local repo? To add files, git add data. Git add data. What is the meaning of it? Adding files to local repo. Adding files to what? Local repo. What are the coding files? Your Java files, your machine learning files, your deep learning files, and one more thing is your NLP files, your Agentic AI Generative AI coding files. Add files to local repo. How to add it? Git add dot means all the files. Next one. And another thing. And another thing is the save to local repo. I wanted to save to local repo. How to save it? Git commit. Git commit minus m some message. Task completed. Not only this one, anything. We can place anything, not an issue. Task completed, some message we need to place it. Fine. Team, I'm repeating the commands again. How to initialize local repo? How to initialize local repo? Git space init. It is used to initialize the local repo. How to configure username? Git config minus global. So this is nothing but the configuring the username. Fine. How to configure email? This command used to configure the email. Fine. And how to add coding files? I want to add the coding files. How to add the coding files? Git add data. Git add data. Automatically we can add coding files to the local repo. And another thing, how to commit coding files to local repo. How to commit it? Git commit -m task completed. Something we need to place it. Got it or not? So this is the point. And another thing is the how local repo connected to cloud repo. How local repo connected to cloud repo. Connected to cloud repo, how it can connect? Git remote add origin. Git remote add origin and URL. Whatever the URL we have. Here we have the URL. What are the URL we have? That URL we need to place it. Automatically, whatever the local repo is there, local repo connected to cloud repo. This URL git remote add origin used to connect to remote repo. Fine. Team, and another thing, how to push code from local repo to cloud repo. I wanted to push the code from local repo to cloud repo. How to push it? Say this one. Git push -u origin master. Git push -u origin master. Automatically the code from local repo pushed to cloud repo. The code from local repo pushed to cloud repo. Yes or not? And here say this one. Where is the code now? Where is the code now? The code present into remote repo or not? Whatever the code is there, the code present into remote repo. Yes or not? Fine. What about you people? You are also developer now. Coming to yourself, you are the developer. You are the developer here. What you need to do? You people need to connect it to. You people need to connect it to remote repo, and you people need to perform full operation. Which operation you need to perform? Full operation. Say this one. You should connect to you should connect to remote repo. As a developer, you should connect to remote repo. After connecting to remote repo, then you need to perform one more operation. Then that operation will be called full operation. So these are the basic commands. Fun. And one more thing. Don't push to master branch. I want to push to particular branch. How we can push to particular branch? Say this one. Git branch name. What is the branch name? iTask minus GenAI. So automatically we are able to create one branch. After creating the branch, check out that branch. You people need to check out that branch. How to check out? Git checkout checkout iTask minus gen minus AI. Automatically we can check out that branch. And how to push out to this branch? I need to push out to this branch. How to push out it? Git push hyphen u origin iTask minus gen minus AI. So whatever the code we have, that code push it to particular branch. And coming to yourself, you can pull particular branch also. Coming to yourself, you people are able to pull particular branch also. And team, just observe the command at least 5 minutes. Then I need to show the practical part. What the practical part is that I need to show it. Observe the commands at least 5 minutes of time, or otherwise parallelly give the reply to me. Fine. Here Purushottam, how many repos we have? How many repos we have? We have the two repos now. What is the first repo? Answer. What is the first repo? Local repo na?
A local repo, and the second one is remote repo.
What is the second repo? The second repo is the remote repo. Fine.
Remote
We have
repo.
the two repos. First repo is the local repo, and second repo is the remote repo. Here we have the two types of repos are there. How to initialize local repo? How to initialize local repo? Git space init na? Git space init. And how to add files to the local repo? Git add data. Use to add the files to the local repo. And another thing, how to save to local repo? Git commit minus him. Git commit minus him. Some message we need to place it. And how to connect to cloud? This command is used to connect to the cloud. And how to push to master branch? Maybe master branch team or in some accounts main branch. In some accounts, default branch is the master. In some accounts, default branch is the main. Default branch is the main. We need to push out either master branch or main branch. And another thing. And one more thing is the and how to create a particular branch. This command is used to create a particular branch. How to check out to particular branch. This command is used to check out to particular branch. How to push your code to the particular branch. Git push hyphen new origin iTask something is there. Automatically we are able to push code from local repo to cloud repo. And coming to yourself, what you need to do? Connect to cloud repo and perform the full operation. Automatically, my code present into your laptop. Whatever the code I'm typing on the daily basis, you are able to pull that code to daily basis. Fine. Now, team, can I show the practical part? Reply, can I show the practical part?
So there are sometimes you have used a double hyphen like in git config, and there are sometimes you have used single hyphen like git commit. Is there any difference between these two hyphens?
No,
Like,
because if it's a global configuration, then we need to go for the double hyphen. If it is a
okay,
normal task, not a global operation, particular branch operation, at the time single hyphen. Those are the standards given by the GitHub. Okay, na?
okay.
Fine. Next one, team. Now let me share the screenshot also. Team, download the screenshot and save into your personal laptop. Fine. Team, let me do the operations one by one. I need to do the operations one by one. Let me create one notepad file, notes.txt. Notes.txt. Here, what I need to do, here I need to go for the welcome to GitHub. Welcome to GitHub. I need to place it. Fine. And close this one. And open the terminal. Team, is it a VS Code? Respond. This is which ID? VS Code or not? Visual Studio Code or
VS
not?
Code.
Yeah.
That is whatever we have. This one we can call the VS Code. Whatever we have, this one we can call the VS Code here. Next one. And another thing. And another thing, go to which one? View. Go to which one? Terminal. View. Next one is the terminal. Fine. After going to the terminal team, after how to open the terminal? Can you please explain again how to open the terminal? View. Next one. Terminal. Go to the terminal. Team. By default, you are in PowerShell. If you check your laptop, you will be in PowerShell. Change PowerShell to command prompt. You people need to change from PowerShell to command prompt. Don't be in the PowerShell, never be in the PowerShell. You people need to change to command prompt. When I'm repeating that point again, how to change to command prompt? Here you have the drop down team, not plus button. Here small drop down is there. You need to click that drop down. Through that drop down, change from PowerShell to command prompt. Fine. Team, I'm repeating again here. I'm repeating again here how to open the terminal. Go to which one? View na. Go to the view. Go to which one? Terminal na. Go to the view. Next one is the go to the terminal. Simply we need to go to the terminal here. Fine. After going to the terminal, team, are you people in the PowerShell? Respond. If you check your laptop, you are in the PowerShell. Change
By
from
default, it's in PowerShell.
PowerShell. Change from PowerShell to command prompt. How to change it? Drop down is there. Don't click a plus button. Never click the plus button. Drop down is there. In the drop down, you need to select a command prompt. Fine. So that is
Right
the
now I don't have this VS Code. Do we need to install or shall we continue with the CLI only?
CLI. You can use it, no problem. But it's better to download it.
Okay.
Just a matter of 10 minutes to download it. Okay, in the
Okay.
CLI as well, you can, but in the future, we need to write the code or not. At that time, it's a difficult. T. And another thing. And one more setting you people need to do it. Go to the file. Go to the file. Enable autosave. Go to the file. After going to the file, you people need to enable what? You people need to enable autosave here. Try to simply we need to go for the water. Simply we need to go to the autosave. Go to which option? Go to the file. You people need to click what? Autosave. Got it now? Fine. And one more thing. Autosave option you need to place it. And one more thing. And one more thing is the let me go through the another thing. That two settings are mandatory. Don't skip it. If you skip, it won't work. That two settings are mandatory. Fine. How to initialize local repository? Can you please tell me how to initialize local repository?
Git init.
Git space in it. Git
Yeah.
space in it. Fine. Initialize it here. How to configure username? Answer git config minus a global minus a global user.name. User.name equal to configure your name. You people need to configure your name. Team, how to configure email? How to configure email? Can you please talk with me? How to configure email? Git config minus a global minus a global user.email. User.email.
Yeah.
You people need to configure email here.
User dot name what we are creating this needs to be same what we created the Git account or it can be different.
It may be anything. It's recommended to place the same thing.
Okay,
Even if you place some other thing, it will work. But it's recommended to place the your Git account details. Fine.
got it.
Next one. It's a configured automatically. Team, how to add the coding files? I want to add the coding files. How to add the coding files? Git add data. Git add dot automatically. We are able to add all the coding files. How to save to local repo? I wanted to save to local repo. How to save to local repo? Git, tell me. Git commit minus m files save to files save to what? Files save to local repo. What are the files are there? That files are saved to what? The files are saved to local repo. Automatically we can do it. Team, how to connect to cloud? Uh, how to connect to the cloud care? We need to connect to the cloud. How to connect to the cloud care? We should be in a position we need to connect to cloud. Git remote add origin URL. So whatever the URL we have, we need to press URL. Automatically local repo connected to cloud repo. Whatever the local repo we have, that local repo connected to cloud repo. Fine. Team. After connecting to cloud repo, how to push the code? How to push the code? Git push -u origin master. I wanted to push it to master branch. How to push it to master branch? Git push -u origin master. Team, sometimes it will throw the error in my laptop because I have the multiple accounts. Yeah, it is showing the error. If it is showing the error, that is not the problem with the command team, because in my laptop multiple accounts are there. Multiple accounts are there. So that's why it is throwing the error. Fine, wait here. I will configure the correct account.
Sir, after git add dot command, if we directly go to push without commit the things,
Nothing.
what will happen? It
It
won't
will throw
happen.
the error, na? It will throw the error to you. You have so many untracked files are there. It will show something.
Okay.
Fine. Let me
Track.
log into the proper account. Let me log into the proper account. Fine. Here I need to go for the authorize here. Verify email. No. Let me add it here. It won't it won't throw that error into your laptop type, because in my laptop multiple accounts are there. In my laptop multiple accounts are there, so it is getting the confusion where to push it. Now we need to place it. Let me place it. Click the verify. Yes. Now try to push it again. Still, if we got the error, don't to push to master branch, push to main branch. Push to which branch? Main branch. Now try to say this one. No, now push to the main branch. How to push to the main branch? Origin main. Mhm. Wait here. Is issue with the password team. Already I know that issue. What is the point we are guessing here? Master does not match anything. 1 second here. It remote. Don't type these commands into our laptop team. In our laptop, it will work perfectly. Git remote origin URL. Wait here. It will ask you clear the cache. It is asking like check the branch. Yes. Now we are in the main branch or not? We are in the main branch. What is the another thing they told here? No series one correct team. Now how to push you to main branch? Because I'm trying to push you to the master branch now. I'm trying to push you to the master branch. Don't to push you to master branch. We need to push you to which branch? Git push -u origin main. Maybe in our laptop team. Sometime it will show the master branch here. But now let me refresh it here. We need to refresh it. Team, once if I refresh here, you are able to see the notes.txt. That notes.txt is there. Team, do the some modifications here. I want to do the some modifications. In this course, we will cover one is the Python, second one is the machine learning, third one is the deep learning, fourth one is the NLP, and fifth one is the coming to the fifth one. Fifth one is the Gen AI, and the sixth one is the what is the sixth one? The sixth one is the Agentic AI. And these topics we will see. In this course, we will cover Python, and we will cover machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Gen AI, Agentic AI. So these many number of topics we will see. Next one, and go to the another thing here. Go to the another thing here, and here we need to do it. How to add the file again? Tim, can you please tell me how to add the file again? Can anyone answer it to me? Git add data. And how to commit it again? How to commit it again? Git commit -m something we need to place it. And how to push it? Git push -u origin main. We are able to push the code. Fine. Team, in the GitHub, you are able to see the modifications. What are the modifications are there? That modifications we are able to see with the GitHub. Fine. And another thing, team. Now we are in the which branch, team? Can you please talk with me? Now we are in the which branch? Reply. Now we are in the
Main,
which main branch?
main
Na?
branch.
Main branch. Fine. How to create one more branch? How to create one more branch? Git branch. Git branch. What is the branch name? ITask Gen -AI. So this is the branch. I wanted to create one branch. The branch name is the ITask Gen -AI. This is the branch I needed to create it. Fine. After creating the branch, switch to the branch. I wanted to switch to the branch. How I can switch to the branch? We should be in a position we need to switch to the branch. How we can switch? Git checkout branch name. Automatically we can check out the branch. Fine. After check out the branch, let me create one more file. Let me create one more file here. The file is the demo.txt. Fine. Now, team, how to push to iTask branch? Git add dot. And how to commit it? Git commit -m something, some message. And how to push? Git push -u origin branch name. Automatically we are able to push it to particular branch. Team, not a main branch here, not a main branch. We are able to push it to particular branch now. Now, let me go to the particular branch. Gulshan, let me go to the particular branch. Just to refresh it. We people need to refresh it. After refreshing, go to the branch. Team, which branch we have? ITask -gen -AI. Some branch is there now. Here we have the branch. Now click that branch. Once if we click that branch here we have the demo.txt. We have the demo.txt. In the demo.txt, we have the hello or not. In the demo.txt, simply we are able to say the hello. What are the hello we have? What are the hello we have? That hello we are able to say it here. Fine. Team, let me revise the commands again here. Let me revise the commands again. What are the commands are there? That commands I need to cheat. Fine. Team, in our laptop, it won't rise that one because in my laptop, the credentials are hard coded. So that's why it is showing some error. Then once if I clear that one, it will work here. Fine. Can you please ask again? Can you please repeat it again here? Here, how to initialize local repo? Answer. How to initialize local repo? Git space in it now? Yes or not? Git space in it. It is used to
Yeah.
initialize the local repo. Fine. And the remaining commands are common thing. How to connect to cloud? How to connect to cloud? Git remote add origin. Git remote add origin. Some URL we need to place it. Simply we need to place some URL. Automatically local repo connected to cloud repo. Fine. And another thing. And one more thing is the how to push it. Git push -u origin either master branch or main branch. We don't know team. Which branch we don't know. In some laptops, master branch. In some laptop, the default branch is the main branch. So how to see the branch? To see the branch, we have one command. Then that command we can call the git branch. We have one command here, then that command we can call the git branch. But unfortunately, in my laptop, I have the main branch. Maybe in our laptop, you may have the master branch. But based on the branch, you need to place it either master branch or main branch. Fine. You people may ask, sir, I don't want to go for the main branch or a master branch. I don't want to go for the either main branch or master branch. I want to create my own branch. Yes, you are allowed to create your own branch. How to create it? Git branch itask minus gen minus AI. So that is our branch name. After creating the branch, switch to the branch. How to switch to the branch? Git checkout itask minus gen minus a. Automatically, we can switch to the branch. And another thing, how to push to particular branch? Git push -u origin and a branch name. Automatically, we're able to push to the branch itself. Okay, na? Fine. Now, team, one point you need to tell. If anyone shared the laptop, share it our screen. In our laptop, I need to share it. Can anyone able to share the screen? Anyone? If anyone shared the screen, then I need to tell you.
You can share it.
Shubratna?
Yes.
Shubrata. Subrata, but operate very slowly, Subrata.
Yeah.
Share the screen.
I'm just trying to search that option. Where is the screen sharing here?
Do you have any share option or not there?
I should have, yes. You need to approve that one, I think, sharing. Okay. Mm,
Share it again. Share it again.
Yeah. Is it visible?
Subrat, very slowly do that one. Don't go for the heavy. Fine. Now log into the github.com. Can you please log into the github.com? Log into the github.com. Yes. Create the new repo. Can you please create the new repo?
I just created it. Shall I create another one?
Yeah, well, no problem. Just create the repo. I cannot an issue. Create the new repo. The repo name is the demo minus repo. Demo minus repo. Minus repo. Create repository. Yeah, minimize it. Can you please minimize this one? Minimize it. And close this one, close this VS Code. Cloud also integrated already in the VS Code.
Yeah.
Close it.
They just started.
Okay, fine. Close this one also. Close everything. Close everything, not on it. Fine. Create one folder. Can you please create one dummy folder on the desktop? Create one folder. Any one of the folder choices versa. Fine. Give the demo folder and open the VS Code. Can you please open the VS Code? Open the VS Code. In the VS Code. In the VS Code, open it. Can you please open it? File, open folder. File, open folder. File, open folder. Go to the desktop. Go to the desktop demo. Click the word, click the select folder. Fine. Subrat, yes, sir. Check the checkbox, check the checkbox. Yes. Go to the file. Can you please go to the file? File, auto save already enabled. Go to the view terminal. Change from PowerShell to command prompt. PowerShell to command prompt. Change it. Yes, fine. Team, these are the fixed steps, team. You people need to do the same steps, then your code will execute. Subrat, left side, create one file. Left side, create one new file. New file. Subrat, otherwise wait here. I will show this one. Here you have the new file option is there. Na?
Yes, I can click here. Yeah.
Click that one. Click that one. Click demo.txt. Demo.txt. Enter. Hello. Just to type the hello message. Yeah, close that one. Close the demo.txt. Close the welcome file also. Now, how to initialize the repository? Git space init. type it. Git space init, enter. Configure username. How to configure? Git config, type it. Git config minus minus global. Git config minus minus, don't give the space. Don't give the space here. Git space config minus minus global space user dot name. User data dot name space double quotes Subrata. Close it. Enter. Now configure the email also. Configure the email. Team remaining people you need to do yourself. User dot email. User dot email space double quotes your Gmail ID. Close it. Enter. Git add data. Git add data. Data. Enter. Git commit. Git commit minus m space is required. Minus m space double quotes task. Just you need to press the task double quotes. Enter. Enter. Git, type it. Git remote. Git remote. Add origin space URL. Copy paste the URL. Enter. Do the enter. Know your branch. May know how to your branch. Git branch. Git space branch. Enter. Yes, you are in the master branch now. But in my laptop, what is the branch? Main. But in our laptop, master. How to push it to master branch? Git push. Type it. Git push -u origin master -u origin master. Enter. Yes, the code pushed successfully. Go to your cloud account. Can you please go to your cloud? Can you please refresh it? Refresh it. Then you are able to see the demo.txt. Okay, now go to the VS Code again. Go to the VS Code again. Git branch space branch name, any name like Subrat minus branch, Subrat minus applications, any branch. You can give any branch name.
Under double quote?
No, directly. Minus applications. How to switch it? Git checkout Subrat minus test. Enter. Okay. Left side, create the demo1.txt.
What is the branch? What are we doing here? Git branch subrat that test.
Like you are asking, what is the branch now? Branch in the sense separating the code. For example, how many modules we have? 6 modules are there.
Okay.
Machine learning code in the Subrata test. Deep learning present into Subrata test 1. Okay. Like a module kind of thing, not more than that.
Like folder kind of a thing. So
right answer. That is I'm calling the branch. We're calling the folder. Both are the same. So left side create the demo1.txt, another file. Create another file. Demo1.txt. Just to add the one line of statement. Add one line of statement. Yeah. Add one more. Add the code git add data. Git add data. Git add data. Commit it. How to commit it? Git commit -m. Git commit -m space double quotes demo1.txt created. Demo1.txt created. Next one, push it. How to push it? How to push it? Git push hyphen u origin subrat minus test minus u origin subrat minus test enter. Yes. Now, can you please go to your account? Go to your account. Refresh it. Can you please refresh it? Refresh it. Once if you refresh, you have a Subrat minus test. Okay, na? Team got it now? Two files are there now. Open that second file. Team, are you able to do yourself? Like already, if you have the knowledge, well and good, team. If you don't have, please watch the video and please create a basic operations with the GitHub. Because Monday onwards, we will work with the GitHub only. Like after completing the class, I will push code to the GitHub. You people need to pull the code from the GitHub. Not only that one, in the future, while you're doing the projects also, you need to push it to GitHub and opposite people, they need to pull the code from the GitHub itself. Okay, na? Fine. No issue here. Fine. Team, any questions
Sir,
people wanted to ask?
yes,
Can you
sir,
start?
I have a questions.
Hmm.
Like in the master, we have only demo file,
Exactly.
and in that
Two
Subrat
files are
test
there.
branch, you have the two files.
Two files.
Suppose in the Subrat test branch, I want to only push the demo one file instead of uh, including this thing, means excluding the demo text file. I want to only push the demo one.txt file. Is
Got
that
it.
be possible that I can
Possible.
exclude that one?
Possible. Answer, can I say the answer here? Default branch is what? Master branch. Na?
Mister.
By default, the default branch file availability to all the branches. That's the default nature of the GitHub. Whatever the files are available in default branch, whatever the files are available in a default branch, those files by default availability to all the branches. Got the answer or not? But go to the VS Code.
Yeah.
We will try it. Whether we're able to delete the file or not. Now we are in the which branch? Check that one. Git branch. Type it. Git branch. Type it. You are in the
Test file.
delete the demo.txt. Left side, delete the demo.txt. Demo.txt is the delete it. Delete it. Git add data. Git add data. Enter. Git commit. Git commit minus m. Git commit minus m. No, na, cool. Git commit minus m space double quotes.
Okay. Some
Demo.txt
message.
deleted. Demo.txt deleted. Place it. Next one. Git push hyphen u origin subrat minus test.
Git push hyphen
Hyphen
u
u origin
origin.
subrat minus test.
So what is this meaning of this origin means?
Original sense, from the origin itself, original URL is there. And that original
Okay.
URL, these are the sub branch mapping kind of thing. Now go to the your cloud account.
Hmm.
Go to your cloud account. In the cloud account, refresh it. Refresh it. Now check that one.
One file.
Only one file is there. Now go to the master branch. Go to the master branch. Now how many files are there?
One file, demo file.
Demo file and demo.txt. One. Team, can you please practice this one? Reply team, can you please practice it? Fine. Yeah. Tomorrow, Saturday team. Can I take the class on the tomorrow or can I take the class on the Monday directly? As our wish. Monday directly I need to go for the Git. Directly I need to go for the Python. Choice is our
Tomorrow we can continue, sir. Let's
Subrat.
continue because the course is big, so let's no.
Subrat.
It's
Subrat. The point is the weekend. The people may say like, sir, we will start from the Monday onwards. Narendra, can I take the class tomorrow or can we take the class on the Monday? And I hope he's not there team. So first weekend and team. So first weekend, enjoy the first weekend. From second weekend onwards, I need you to take the class. Okay, na? Fine. No need to worry.
okay.
Next Monday, we have a session on the next Monday. So next Monday directly we need to go for the Python, and we will plan it from the next weekend onwards. Sunday I can't take the class here. Only Saturday I will plan to take the class. Okay, na? Fine. Team, are you understanding? Are you feeling like a difficulty? Are you okay? Team, can anyone reply to me? Are you people okay?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
okay, but
yes.
can we get this recording so we can practice this?
Because in the
Yeah.
YouTube they will upload it, na? In the YouTube they will
And
upload.
sir, can we take the class for tomorrow?
No, Gulshana. We will take the class on the next Monday. Okay,
Okay,
next started on
okay, this same video will be uploaded to YouTube, huh?
YouTube, same video. Okay, if
Okay,
not, then ask the Narendra Garar or Shiva something, they will share it to you. No need to worry. Okay, na?
okay,
Fine. Gulshan, why I'm not taking tomorrow? First
Oh,
weekend,
notes, sir.
the people will join on the Monday onwards because anyhow I need to start the Python. Na? It's recommended to start on the Monday. Okay, now for example, if any miss it tomorrow, I think Monday, I hope the batch will be finalized. Monday onwards, we need to start it. Okay, fine. Thank you, team. Bye.
Sir,
Have-
what about notes will you provide?
Why not? Because in the
And
GitHub,
what will be the duration of this program?
5 months. Gulshan, the course duration is the 5 months. Okay, na? And another thing, notes. Monday and whatever the notes I'm preparing, that notes I will push you to GitHub itself. That notes I will push to GitHub itself. You can download from the GitHub itself. Okay, na? From the Monday onwards, no issue. Okay, na? Any other question? No, na?
yeah.
Okay, fine. Thank you, team. Be ready on the Monday. Monday exactly. Start the session at 9 o'clock, 9 to 10 or 9 to 10:15. I will take the class. Thank you, team. Bye.